Hello you guys, good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is where you are. I'm actually, you guys are not gonna believe this, let me sit down. I am actually about to get styled. I actually have a stylist coming over to go through my wardrobe, and what we're gonna do is get rid of everything that I do not want, get rid of everything that doesn't have purpose in my closet. We're taking all that out. We're gonna go through it. She's gonna talk to me about my style. We're gonna figure out my style. She's gonna go back to the office and then come up with 15 outfits in her virtual closet for me to shop, you guys. Shop based on my style. So this should be interesting. I am very excited to see if this is like a thing. Honestly, I got this from, I don't know, I read something about this is what like people with a little bit more money do, you know. I got a little bit more money, so I was like, let me just do a little splurge for myself. Do not mind my hair, y'all. It's a wash and go, but I have not taken this out since I did the wash and go. I put it up. I literally put this bandana on just 5 minutes before I filmed this video. And I know y'all probably saying I wear this shirt in every video. Mind your business, mind your business, mind your business. All right, so she's going to be arriving. I have not asked her if she wanted to be filmed, but I am gonna show you guys what we're working with. So we're walking up to my bedroom, and these are the clothes, y'all. I washed these clothes. These are clean, but it's just a pile of just stuff. And I was gonna go ahead and put it in my closet, but I was looking down. I was like, half of this stuff I do not even want. I got a few things on the bed. This is my room if you guys care. Y'all, I just ran up steps. I'm tired, but anyway, we got clothes everywhere. So I don't know how she gonna feel about this, but this happened. And this is my closet. You guys have seen my closet in another video. I did my room tour, I think. So like half of this stuff, y'all, honestly, I don't wear any of this shit. Like none of it. And like, look at this. I got random stuff. This is from like a wedding. Chocolate chip last dip. Yo, they're my bodysuits, but it's just like, I know how to pair clothes. Everything just don't go together in my closet. That's exactly what it is. It's too many different styles. I have a style and I need this to reflect exactly what my style is, and it's really not this. Like, this is just like college meets, bitch, maybe I make money now. You know, I don't know, but that's what we're working with right now, and I don't want it. But anyway, I'm gonna go through the rest of these clothes, and I'm gonna see what I can record for you guys. You see what all I have going on before she comes in here, so we're gonna see what's cracking and poppin' locking when she get up in this thing, girl. But I can't wait then. I can't wait. I can't wait. I didn't show you guys that my beautiful Sky got a haircut. Hi, Mama. Hello, boo. You are so cute. You are so cute. Y'all, here go that Friday though. Stop slamming my door. Y'all, it's poop heaven out there. I gotta pick up a poop. Don't judge me. Walking away. This is random, but I also am getting new flooring put down. And these are like the gray planks that I'm putting down. They are called vinyl planks. They just clamp into each other. As you can see, it's like, they're hard. This isn't like sticky paper or anything. But y'all, I have to figure out which one I want for this floor. I'm actually getting this brown covered up because this wood, this motherfucking wood, y'all, let me show you, girl. Look at that. From the refrigerator, this wood has gotten wet and nasty looking, and it's just all messed up basically. And also when Sky pee and stuff around here, I can see little wet spots for when she pees. So I don't know, I don't like that. So we're gonna get some of this good stuff. I don't like this one. I think it got too much darkness in it. I think I like this one. That's number 2. I don't know, I kind of like number 3. This would give you more like a cement look though, I feel like, you know? And this is number 4. I low-key like the pattern. I feel like it's nice and modern. I just don't know how it's gonna mesh well with my home. You know what I'm saying?
I have to be selective on some influencers because
they are
I'm
mess.
not.
I am breaking up with Miss Beverly Hills. Why are you laughing? Well, let me say another way. I love your face, your eyes, your hair, but that isn't enough. I have grown up. You want too much, and we have never loved. I'm driving through the hills, and you are on my mind. I can't pay these bills if I need all the time. I need simple things like peace. I need you to love me, but you lost somewhere in Beverly Hills. So get your stuff and go. Pack up all these clothes. You always want something. You keep running.
All right, you guys, so my wardrobe stylist has left the building. Well, she been left. It's late, and this is what my wardrobe looks like now. You guys, she got rid of so much stuff. Let me show you guys. So these are the 2 bags that I have for Plato's Closet. This is the stuff that I am going to try to sell. She said it was still in great condition, so we selling all that stuff. But girl, I got so much stuff that I don't need. So I got 4 bags so to give away to a shelter, and I'm going to give all this to a shelter as well because my friend knows a good shelter. Y'all don't mind this stuff. I just be putting stuff on the wall sometimes in this room. 6 bags have been given away. You guys can see it looks all nice and color coordinated, organized, or whatever. She went ahead and rolled all of this. Oh, and clearly my room's clean, you know, or whatever. Sky's sitting over there. But girl, listen, all of this is tightly rolled, tucked. Love it. This is all my workout stuff, you guys. My workout shirts, and these came from IKEA. This whole system is from IKEA, you guys, and I customized it. It's the Algot system. Put it below. This is where I got all my like t-shirts and stuff. You guys know I love t-shirts. And then sweatpants and Adidas pants and stuff. I got my night stuff and bras and panties. Don't be all up in my stuff, okay? But then we got my jeans right here. Now, y'all, I organized my pants like this. This is not her. This was all me. What she did was come out and purge everything, but I like to put all of my pants on shower rods, so that's what that is. These are all of my shorts. My mom went ham on some shorts this summer and bought me so many, y'all. I actually just recently lost a lot of weight. I had to re-up on some shorts, and these are all of my jeans. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a nice jean store. She literally color coordinated everything. I just realized that. It does look really good though. But anyway, also I have like some specialized statement type of pants because I love a statement pant, y'all. So I have these with the buckles on them. These have like nice straps and zippers and all that. They're just kind of fancy, you know. Like these sweatpants have mesh right here and a zipper somewhere, yeah, right there. So I was like, ooh, those are cute too. But the biggest thing that she taught me was just making sure that I had statement pieces. So as you can see, like now it looks like a store. It looks like I can come in here and find something. But she was like, girl, you lacking shirts. And y'all, I'm lacking so many shirts. All of these shirts are like just statement shirts. Like I don't have good solid basics in my closet. So she's gonna come up with like 10 more outfit ideas, and I can purchase new stuff, and I'm so excited, you guys. She organized my purses. Literally, I had to throw out bags. I had to throw out shoes. These are my shoes down here, you guys. I got this from these little containers. So I have those, and I just have my boots over there, and the boots have little boot stands, so they just stand right up. So that is the end of my closet organization video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything that I didn't cover in this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys like. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.